Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and if you are looking for a crunchy snack, this one is perfect. These are the pretzel crisps garlic parmesan on the go. These pretzels taste delicious and I love them because they are really crispy and crunchy, and also they are salty, and the flavor of the garlic parmesan is really good. That's why I like sometimes to combine them with something else. Like for example, I like to eat them with ham or cheese, and sometimes just like the pretzels as chips, and that's it. So if you're looking for a snack and you love crunchy, salty pretzels with garlic parmesan flavor, I highly recommend this right here. These are the pretzel crisps garlic parmesan on the go. They taste really good. I highly recommend this, and that's my point of view.